Former TMC MLA from Salmanpara constituency winner Sama joined the state BJP on Friday in the presence of the top BJP leaders from the state. Sama said that acceptance from BJP has grown in leaps and bounds in the state, especially in the Garo Hills, due to the agenda of development. He also announced that more leaders from the state TMC will be joining the BJP in days to come.
I wanted to serve the people with my commitment and dedication, which is why when I look at the prevailing environment situation in the state as well as in the nation, I understood that BJP's platform is a very strong platform in the state and in the national level, which is why to strengthen the party in the state level, I have decided to join, and today I am very grateful to the state president and other members of the family of the party for welcoming me.